Nawala man yung kaluma ko. Yung aking husband. Nasaan naman yun? Kaganda ng view. Huli ka. Nandun. Huli ka. AM na. Pero pasikat ng araw. Oh. Pasikat o palubog, I don't know. Sunset. Sunrise. Anyway, it's 1 AM. And they have a very clear ocean water here. And then ano yun? What's that? Oh, what is this? Tingnan natin sa telescope. It's something. And here, can you see that? That's snow. And then here, it's Bukid. Nice. And here, there's a falls. That's from the mountain. Oh, so nice. There are also caravans here. Coffee time. Anong view? Another residential area. Umabot na po kami dito. Oops. Ayan, tingnan natin yung mga lugar. It's good to have a record with this area.
Narvik. Narvik na siya.
Narvik. Malapit na tayo sa Narvik. Ayan. Sali natin yan. So, they have also lots of houses here. And then shop. Gas station. Okay. Oh, parang dito tayo last. Feeling ko lang. Don't forget your coffee. Let's visit this mineral museum. Yan. Looks interesting. Houses. Yan. Picture tayo here. May parking area. At nandito pa kami sa daan. Ayan, may parking area.